Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins and today is the last day of the Black Friday event at CraftStash. So I am going to tell you all about the biggest deals and offers that we have had on this week that are still running until midnight tonight. Now don't forget everything I'm telling you about here. You can also get your additional 10% off if you are a CraftStash VIP member. So make sure you are getting yourself into the membership. It's really easy to do online. Check that out and then come back and go shopping. You'll immediately get your 10% off on top of all the other discounts. Okay, so first of all, we have got the bargains for under a fiver. This one always flies. Lots and lots of items, in fact, hundreds of items brought down to less than £5. So you'll find those on the website. We had the John Next Door live event on Thursday. So that's 50% off of John Next Door items. Huge, huge savings. And that's off all the items. I mean, everything that we've got John Next Door on site. Massive discounts there as well. Then another popular one was the Tim Holtz distress sale. So anything that's distressed is in the sale. We've got up to 30% off. Again, these items, they do sell out really, really quickly. So make sure you're making your choices and checking them out as soon as you possibly can. Then we also had on Monday the 50% off made to surprise sale. So this is massive. I mean, very, very rarely do we get made to surprise items with 50% off, but we have got them now and it's still running. So go and see what's left. We also had my brand textures in a sale and that's 60% off. I love Black Friday because the deals are absolutely huge. The discounts are massive. So 60% off of textures items. So again, you can go to a category on the website. You can click on the Black Friday banner on the homepage. That will take you to everything that we've got, but it is split into these categories. So you've got textures, made to surprise, John Next Door. So it's easy for you to find what you're looking for. And the last one to tell you about today is stamp sale. So we have got stamps at CraftStash, all different brands, 45%. We have got stamps from brands like All and Create, Julie Hickey, Ranger, Studio Light, Alter New, and lots more too. So 45% or up to 45% off of those. And then, as I say, your additional 10% off if you are a VIP member. Huge savings. So all of these offers are going to end after Cyber Monday. So be very quick with popping them into your basket and checking them out.